Hey Nick, this is Alex with Diamond Digital Marketing, and I wanted to produce this website review for you. In this video, we're going to cover a few things that really improve your rankings on Google. I'll keep it short. I know you're busy and I don't want to waste your time, so feel free to take these tips and put them to use yourself. And I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts on them. All right, those few things are content, citations, and backlinks. And we always like to start with content first because I don't know if you've heard the saying, but with Google, content is king. And we really recommend having about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And we've got your website pulled up here, and it's a great looking site. Looks like you've done some great work here. It's just, there's not a lot of content on here. And again, we're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage. And this has to include buyer intent keywords. So for example, when someone types in epoxy floor in Milwaukee, Google's really looking to send that search to a website that's relevant, and that's the one that has the most content on it with these keywords incorporated. So if we pull up one of your competitors here, this is Milwaukee Epoxy Flooring. They've got a little bit more of what you're looking for. They've got about 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage here. So you'd be looking to get at least 2,000 words on your homepage to outrank them. And, you know, it's important to include, as you can see here, epoxy flooring, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They're including those buyer intent keywords into the content. So if we go over here to a tool we like to use called Ahrefs, this lets us see what's working well for websites and what's not. And we can tell here, the second area we want to cover are backlinks. Backlinks are just any other website pointing back to your website, but not all backlinks are created equal. You want them to be relevant to the content from your website. So you don't necessarily want to have a backlink from a caterer or a pizza shop, for example. It's got to be relevant content to your industry. And we can tell here you've only got a few backlinks and not many keywords. If we go over here to epoxymilwaukee.com, they've got 173 backlinks and 94 organic keywords. And another competitor over here, this is TNN Concrete Coatings. This page here, they've got over 600 backlinks and 2,000 keywords, getting 662 organic traffic per month. So what you want to do here is kind of do a copycat scheme. Go in here and see where the competition is getting listed and go after all of these backlinks and after about 50 to 100 more so that they can't catch up. And Ahrefs, this tool right here, it costs about $1,000, but it's really useful to go in here and be able to do the research on your competitors and go after the same ones they're in. And that third item we want to cover are citations. And a citation is when you type those buyer intent keywords, epoxy floor Milwaukee, you'll see some ads up here. Most people skip those. This next area here is the Google Map Pack or GMB, Google My Business. This is where you really want to be ranking at the top for. And what gets you ranking up here are citations. That's your business's name, address, and phone number listed the same across the web on pages like Facebook.com, YellowPages.com, Yahoo, Yelp, LinkedIn, CityStar. There's hundreds of them out there, and it's not hard to get listed. It's just tedious. And you want to do similar to the backlinks. You want to go into all of the directories that your competition is in, and then a bunch more, 50 to 100 more, so that they can't catch up. And that's about it. You really want to focus on content, recapping what we went over, content 1,500 to 2,000 words so that you can outrank this competition here that has a bunch of keywords and a bunch of content. So 2,000 keywords with content on your homepage, 750 on the back service pages, and backlinks. You want to go in here and see where the competition is getting backlinks from. Go after all of those and then about 50 more so that they can't catch up and you really start showing Google that your site is relevant with that content and those backlinks. Once you start doing that, you'll start taking over the organic traffic that your competition's getting. And just imagine how much business you could do if you were getting 662 clicks a month to your website. And the third thing, citations, you want to go in here and see which directories your competition's getting listed at. There's a bunch of tools you can use for that research. Again, that's a monthly fee to get those, but you will be able to go in there and outrank your competition if you go after the same directories and then a bunch more. And if you implement these three strategies, you can most definitely start outranking the competition on Google. I hope that you found this video informative, and again, feel free to take these tips and do what you can to improve your traffic with them. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to following up with you and getting your thoughts to see if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business with these strategies.